Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and linked platform so you don't lose progress. Once done, jot down your UID, current server and character names, and any 2FA or recovery codes. Next, update the game client and clear cache to prevent stale data. This reduces sync errors when switching. While you prepare, sign out on other devices to avoid session conflicts. These steps protect your progress and make the actual server change smoother and faster. You navigate to Settings, then Account or Server Transfer to begin. Once there, choose the target server and immediately check language, expected ping, and population to ensure playable conditions. Make sure you understand restrictions like character limits and cross-server features. Proceed through prompts carefully. Select the exact character to move, acknowledge any cooldown or transfer fee, and confirm. If a fee appears, verify currency and payment method. After confirmation, you log into the destination server and immediately check your character, inventory, mounts, and any bound items to confirm a successful move. If something is missing or an error appears, take screenshots and note timestamps and any error codes. This speeds up support resolution. Make sure to keep your original account signed out until confirmed. If the transfer failed or items are lost, contact official support with your UID, server names, and evidence so they can restore or advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.